Friends, welcome to part 6 of the Smart Trip demo series. In the previous parts, we covered the Smart Trip overview, setup readiness, proper booking flow, date validation, and missing or invalid data handling. We also saw how Smart Trip uses LLM chat mode to understand travel requests, but still depends on backend validation to control the booking flow. Before starting this part 6 lab demo, I recommend watching the previous parts of this playlist if you have not seen them yet. They will help you understand the main booking flow before we test requests that are outside the airline booking scope. Friends, in this part, we will test how SmartTrip handles greeting messages and outside booking requests. For example, if the user says hello or hi, SmartTrip should respond politely without starting the booking process. And if the user asks for something unrelated, such as cinema tickets, hotel booking, doctor appointments, or train booking, SmartTrip should not process that request as a flight booking. This is important because SmartTrip is designed as an airline booking assistant, not a general purpose chatbot. The system should stay focused on the airline booking flow. Now let us see SmartTrip in action using LLM chat mode for outside booking flow and greetings message.
So friend, welcome to part 6. In this part, we will see how SmartTrip handle greeting messages and the outside booking request. This is important because an AI booking assistant should not process unrelated requests. Unnecessary LLM calls should be controlled and the system should remain aligned with the airline provider business rule. How? We will see that. Login into Shiva. Let's log into SmartTrip and select the Google Start LLM. Then I will go with already prepared. Book me a doctor appointment. So I will type non-travel request here. So I will say book an appointment with Dr. Shiva Naik, which is I am on Sunday. On Sunday, no need this, right? 1st July 2026. So here SmartTrip should not entertain outside booking travel request. Why? You will see because your each whatever, if it is general questions, general request or outside flight booking, then SmartTrip will send it as it is with the system prompt that you are a travel assistant, provide me in the structure JSON format with so and so key value pair, if not value available, send null. So this is the communication happening. So this kind of information will send to the LLM API, and LLM API, each API call, each token sent received is a charge too much nicely. And if you say hi, if you send it to LLM, what is this? This apps is given to reduce that to benefit from this travel request instead of to avoid, to overcome the manual work which was calling outside local provider for booking ticket, then communicating with email 2-3 days. So all manual effort, to reduce all manual effort, this application was given to any one person who may be the travel desk admin, who will book the ticket for employee on after all the internal travel desk request approved, and then final he or she will use these apps and book. This is somewhat how this application going to be used, right? If travel admin or if it given to individual user also, that is not possible to give individual user, nobody will do that. So one person will control this. Even the travel admin play with this. If he asks his personal question, if he asks, hi, how are you, and this small thing sending to LLM API call is increasing input, output, send, receive token. So bill at the end of the month, there is really too much bill, which is not going to add any value to your company if you ask non-general. That is the reason. This is the main point, main area of this application. This is the heart of the application, you can say, because at the end of the day, your smart tip is doing very well. Your lot of manual effect was reduced. But if too much billing is coming, then better to go manual. If this much billing coming, well, and that just to save the travel admin load, companies lose this much, then company will not go with this, right? If non-travel, if billing is come, only the bill will not come for non-travel request through the LLM only, but also there will be too much request will send to the airline provider also after, right? So their system also will reject this and fail, and then there is the I told no why and to control the system should remain aligned with the airline provider business rule also. So there will be the aligned contract agreement between the airline also, that you should be filter at your end and send the proper request. Don't send hi, bye, whatever. So it will, there is a service charge, right? And there is a volume of the request sent to the airline also. I seen whatever I read from, whatever I ask Chat GTP or AI, how this all thing happening. So I found this also. There is some rule, terms and condition also that you can. So this is where I brought this into the picture to stop this and see what he is saying. It seems your travel request is outside booking flow. As per Smart Trip policy, this assistant currently support airline flight search and booking request only. Other service request or information only query are not proceeded to avoid unnecessary LLM and API calls, as they may result in additional, and here is the cost, in additional cost, without adding value to the flight booking flow or even for the company. Please enter a flight request such as example he given, book a flight from Mumbai to Bahrain for one address so and so. So this is the main agenda of this. So now if I say like so if you not same message, even if I say something, okay, book a flight from Mumbai to Bahrain and also book a cab from airport. Now the requests look good. Book a flight from Mumbai to Bahrain. So here Smart Trip should not be confused and should not be ignore this, because also he is asking for book a cab from airport. So this request will be not entertained. See, if you say only book a flight this much also, then it will continue. And it will ask you missing. We seen the missing case, right? And it will ask you missing to fill. So now it will not allow, and I want to cancel this. So it not. So I will say refresh and we will see other one. Now I will say hi, greeting. So here he not stopped you saying this request is outside of, this is request also outside, right? But to give some filling to the user also, and this is a greeting message. So a greeting message should not stop. Now this LLM is not all greeting message, and the non-travel request is not still sending to LLM. This is the smart trip level rule based and deterministic logic was applied before sending any travel request to LLM. So here it is checking so and so. If smart trip found look like book a flight with some keyword only, then he is sending. Later LLM send if anything wrong or not, that then on top of even. So rule based code also there. So I will say hi. He said reply hi. How are you? He say I am fine. What about you? I will say good morning. He said good morning. Shortcut. GN, good night. And what's up? So he say I am fine. What about you? Okay. Even if I now we will say we'll say take some greeting from here from internet. Let's see. I will type here some greeting. Show me top 5 Indian language for greeting message and top 5 common international something or top 5 20. Let's see, anything we can take. So here what is given? So first is the Hindi, literally. So where is the typing he given? Top 5. Hello, hola, Hindi, namaste. So okay, here. So in Hindi we will type. We will say namaste. So he reply namaste. Please type your travel request. Now I will say in Tamil, vanakkam. So he will say vanakkam. He reply vanakkam. Please type your travel request. Bengali, namaskar. So he will say namaskar. So this is our Indian have 100 of language. So he reply correctly Kannada. So he will say, he will reply namaskara. I know Kannada, we speak Kannada at home, we speak Telugu, mother, father, uncle, grandmother, but now we understand, but we speak Hindi, English and Marathi because but we. So this is what he replied correctly, Kannada and Telugu also we are speaking. So Punjabi, Satriya Kal. So he replied the Punjabi also. Now we will try Marathi one. Mumbai Amchi. I am a Mumbai Kari. Friends. So Namaskar. So Namaskar, he replied. So Namaskar comes in more Hindi, Marathi and this. So this is Mumbai, Marathi, Hindi, everything we type, Mumbai Amchi. So friend, we see now we'll see the international language. English, hello, we already see Spanish, hola. So for hola, what he say, I don't know in my database what is their entry that randomly created all the script. So he said hello for hola reply. Please type. So you understand. So Italian. So this is Italian greeting. So he said reply same. CEO, please type your request. Bonjour French. So if I make spelling mistake up to some level, typo mistake also and understand, not all. So this is what we seen all the test case, and this test case also success and is handling. This is important to control LLM API call and to keep the flow aligned with the airline provider rules and business agreement. So that's all about this part for handling non-travel requests and these friends. So unless smart trip not found a proper flight booking, even if it is the departure or whatever missing, no problem. That LLM will take care and return back, then Smart Trip will provide you. But greeting message he will handle, all greeting message he might not handle, because this is rule based deterministic logic applied by me, but I not coded anything. I get this done with AI only. Everything I get this done with AI only because of my background and application design and development logic experience. You understand, right? Okay. So that's all, friend. We will even Ollama also. We will try with Ollama. Here, oh my API key will be exert with Gemini. Let's try with Ollama also. What is will last? Bonjour. This is. See, Ollama also understand all the greeting messages. Sorry, no Ollama, because this is not went to either Gemini nor Ollama or any LLM. This is Smart Trip or rule based. So no need to validate either this LLM work or that LLM work. So friend, that's all about. So this is rule based. So here LLM, it not reached to LLM. So thank you very much. We will move back to presentation.
So friends, this completes part 6 of the Smart Trip demo series. In this part, we tested greeting messages and outside booking requests. We saw how Smart Trip keeps the assistant focused on airline booking and avoids processing unrelated requests. This is important for cost control, provider agreement, business scope, and application reliability. In the next part, part 7, we will test guided booking mode and see why it is kept separate from LLM chat mode. Thank you for watching part 6 of the Smart Trip demo series.